I'm gonna go get me a haircut today. I'm gonna get all this cut off. It's just time. I usually stay clean cut anyway. And it was the year of COVID, so I just let it go. And when I went to go get a haircut the first time, the barbershops closed down. The next time I went to go get a haircut, they were going through another lockdown. And then I caught COVID, and so I thought, I'll just let it grow. Well, it's time to get it cut. Time to get this crap off my head. And I'm going to post it on my channel. I know I'm a drone channel, but I'm going to post this on my channel. And I'm going to try to do a hyperlapse of my barber cutting my hair of a before and after. We'll just see how it goes. This is my first time doing any vlogging of any kind, or even talking to a camera, so you all are seeing something different from me. Okay, you guys seen the hyperlapse. This is what I ended up with, and I feel much better. I think I'm ready for summer. So I'm just glad to put remnants of COVID behind me. Growing all that hair, and the barbershop's being closed down, blah, blah. Anyway, thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate you guys.